Hi, I'm Chris from Rare Find Frags, and today I'm doing some unboxing. So I ordered 2 fragrances a couple weeks ago, and I finally got it. I'm really excited to open this box up. I'm going to share the experience with you guys. So let's get to it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'll just show it to you. I've been collecting niche fragrances, I'll tell you that much. So here we got some paper. Some coupons. Some more coupons. The order slip. A coupon. Some paper. I'm done. I'm gonna stop messing with y'all. So I ordered this Ancre Noir Extreme by Lalique. This is this is niche to the max. So in a separate video, I'm going to show you guys what the bottle looks like, what it smells like, and all the other stuff. But today, I will be opening this Vince Camuto Smoked Oud. This is an oud-based fragrance. If you guys aren't familiar with what oud is, it is a type of material that comes out of this certain tree, and it's very, very rare. It's very hard to produce. It's hard to collect. It's just hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't really know what the notes are. I have a fragrance that's close to being oudish. It's my Frank Olivier, what is that called? Oud Touch. So that's one oud fragrance I have. I wanted to start collecting more oud fragrances. So here's the box. It's a toilet. Let's open it up. Oh man. Wow, look at that. That's a beautiful, beautiful bottle. It's like a leather material. You got this metal like plate right here that says Vince Camuto Smoked Oud on it. It's a nice solid cap. It's got leather wrapped around it as well. The atomizer is red. That's cool. Let's give it a little spray in the cap, see how it smells. Oh, that's good. It smells like a better version of the Frank Olivier Oud Touch, but that's nice. Let me spray it on my hand and see how it smells. Let it dry down. I don't want to smell it immediately off my hand. It might smell like alcohol. It's nice. It's a little light. You would think something called smoked oud would be a little bit more smokier, but okay, I'm starting to get it now. The smokiness with the dry down. I can smell the rose. Wow. That's actually really good. I'm excited to wear this, but I'll do a further review of this with the notes and everything in a different video. But yeah, that's my unboxing for today. Like I said, my next video, I'll open this up. You guys gotta stay tuned. Hit that like button if you really want me to open it up, like tomorrow. But other than that, man, I'm impressed. Nice presentation. Really nice scent. Oh, it's getting sweet now. Wow, that's good. This is a hidden gem. Not a lot of people talk about this, but yeah. Well, that concludes my unboxing for today. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Really do appreciate you guys coming to my video. And until the next time, stay blessed. And if you smell good, you feel good.